With your conscious minimalism being like, let's just say 4 to 9 minutes, typically 6. How do you go about getting ready for an episode? Do you go on a walk like Albert Einstein for 20 minutes before? Do you study a whole bunch? Do you wing it? Do you just say whatever comes to your head? Like, what is the preparation looking like when I'm intentionally doing short, concise episodes?
That's a great question. I actually have something called an idea factory. So my idea factory is I basically like take an hour a day to consume YouTube content about like writing, copywriting, product engineering. I subscribe to like a bunch of different newsletters that relate to remote work. And I just consume. And then I take copious notes on it on Notion. And then every day at around like 11:30, I go on a 30-minute walk and I get ready to write. And so at 12 p.m. every single day, I get ready to write and I just write down whatever's on my mind. And I have what's called like a daily writing practice. And what that does for me is it allows me to like synthesize all of my ideas, because the beginning of my day is just consumption. And then the middle of my day is just regurgitating the information that I know. And then on Saturday, every single day, I take my notes and I basically write my first draft of the newsletter, like spend some time with my grandma, my mom, my dad, come back that night, like edit. And then the newsletter gets published Sunday morning. Then the video gets made and published on Sunday morning. And so typically all of the final draft and the video gets done on Saturday.
Okay. Quick question. Idea factory, which is an hour to consume and take copious notes on Notion with a 30-minute walk. And then you regurgitate. Is this a 7-day-a-week thing where you consume and then only on Saturday do you ever put a first draft together? Or is this, did I miss something?
Yeah. So the consumption happens every single day. And then the writing of it, it's like it has its skeleton like throughout the week. And then I basically like finalize everything on Saturday. But think of like creating a photo album where I'm just capturing images on my camera every single day. And then I look for patterns. And so like I think of, the reason why it's called the idea factory is it's capturing images and then it's synthesizing like what are the common patterns that I'm seeing people talk to me about on the media? What questions do people have on YouTube? What questions are people putting out in newsletters? And then I basically like take copious notes and I write all of my thoughts down and then everything gets finalized on a Saturday.